everyone, welcome back to Mimi Bit School Craft. Today I'm going to show you how I made this taller Chibi Plush. Compared to the Chibi Plushies I usually make, this one has taller body proportions, which gives it a slightly different look while still staying cute. For the face, I used acrylic markers instead of embroidery. If you want to make something like this too, keep watching until the end. And let's get started! Materials needed: plush fabric, stuffing, acrylic markers, and basic sewing tools. The PDF pattern is available and the link is in the description box. First, prepare all the fabric pieces according to the pattern. Now it's time to make the face. First, mark the placement with a pen before drawing it with acrylic markers. This was my first time trying to draw a plush face using acrylic markers, so I was still experimenting a little. The important thing is to let each color dry before adding the next one, so the wet colors do not smudge. This is how it looks after it dried. Not bad for a first try. After that, I'm going to make the head. You can sew it either by machine or by hand using a backstitch. After that, we're going to make the body. Okay, all the body parts are sewn now. And now it's time to stuff them. After stuffing everything, attach all the body parts together and sew them using a ladder stitch. For the opening on the arms, sew it closed using an invisible stitch. If you have trouble sewing the arms onto the body, you can also attach them with a glue gun like this. Make sure to press it for a few seconds after attaching it so it sticks properly. It's the same for the ears as well. Now the plush is done. And you can design the hair and outfit however you like. Maybe you want to make something like this or this. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to tag my Instagram if you try making one too. See you in the next one. Bye!